Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to edit your credentials on Twitter X. So the first thing you do is open up your X app and then you tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then you scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on your account, which is the first option, and then you tap on account information. Then you can now change your credentials, your username, your phone number, email address, country, and also you can manage your automated account. So if I tap on username, I can change my username from here. Make sure this one has not been taken. Then you want to change the phone, same thing, tap on phone, put your phone number, and you have to re-enter your X password to continue. Then email address, tap on email address. You change your email address also, you have to verify back and re-entering your X password before you can put in the new email address. Then country, you have to select the country you live in, and automation, manage your automated account. It's as simple as that. That is how to change your credentials on Twitter or update your credentials on Twitter. Edit them. These are ways to edit, update, change your credentials on Twitter. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.